In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Windows will not minimize or maximize here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Task Manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the Task Manager. So here at the Task Manager, you need to find for Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So all you need to do is you need to find it. So the moment you have find it, you need to make sure that you have selected the one that is running. Okay, you can identify that by looking at the CPU as well as the GPU here. Okay, so you can see that the other or the rest are not running except on this one. So we need to select that, make a right click and click on restart. Once you've restarted the Windows Explorer, try to check if the problem has been fixed. So try to minimize or maximize that particular window. However, if it's not working, then you need to close the window and move on to the second method. Now, before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So in order to minimize or maximize that particular window, all you need to do is you need to press and hold the shift key that is being placed at the left and not in the right. Okay, so basically there are two a shift key that is being placed at the left and a shift key that is being placed at the right. So the one that you are going to use is the shift key that is being placed at the left. So press and hold it, make a right click to that particular window, and there you can see restore. Click on it. The moment you do it, you will be able to fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.